So while looking at some of the free models, I happened to find IBM's Granite 4 and series listed on Cloudflare Workers. So if you take a look at the account and go to AI section within build and check the models part, here if you type in IBM, you will find this particular model, right? So it can be used for your code reviews or small items that you can work with. It has context window of 131k tokens, right? Also the pricing seems to be decent per input and output, and you can test it out in LLM playground. And there are also some of the inference providers that are offering it for free, right? If you check the official document from IBM, you will notice what it can do and what other models are there, right? You will notice model size by 32b, 7b, 3b and so on, right? So here explicitly we have no mention of the parameters currently, right? I don't see any specific query for that. Now ignoring that part, if we try to use this for say code review as such, or even extracting project summary or readme, this can be a great tool, right? So if I minimize this and if we go to a certain project, let's say I have one of the project that we can use for. So this one of the project is about Ethereum gas rewards, right? So I will open code here within the project and we will try to get the summary of the project based on this model, and later I can also go for the code review, right? And let's see, if I type in, first let me clear this and then type open code, right? Now within open code I have to select models, and within the list of the providers you can see in Cloudflare Workers AI I have option for IBM Granite, right? So I will select that. Now here I want to make a query as create a code review of this project and also explain what this project is about and what it can do, right? And save this document in, let's say, review.html with some minimal CSS, right? And this is very simple query, and if you don't want code review, like it may create a lot of expenses some of the time, so you can simply get it. Now here you can see it has come up with the review HTML and it looks something like this, pretty minimal. I decided to drop the entire code review, try to focus on more like readme, right? And here you see it created that review. So basically the project is explained and you also learn how to run this project, right? And this is not on GitHub as of yet, but it created that as a readme. Also MIT license was given by default. I had no intention of that, but it has created its own readme, added its own structure, right? So pretty dumb model I would say, because it doesn't pay attention to where it is running. I had to explicitly also update on save this to respective directory for gas trackers folder, right? So make sure to be as explicit as you can. Also give one module at a time to this model. This is pretty new model and I don't think it's that competitive coding model as such, but it is free, so you can do small code reviews, do readme, or even get it to write small codes and make sure that you don't give it too much load, because it kind of has trouble thinking. Even I have to manually explain for this particular path change, right? And it did, however, saved that in this particular folder, but I was not satisfied considering too many tangents happened. So this is in a scale of serious programming to dumb programming. This is leaning more towards the dumb model. But yeah, considering this is from IBM, I'm sure those people will get angry and may not be agree with me. But even for free, if this is the level of model, then I don't see a serious use for this. So if you are trying to use this model for anything serious, stay back. Just use it for some casual stuff and chat.